Hi y'all, Karma here. I hope you're having an amazing day. If you're new to the channel, welcome, welcome. Hopefully by the end you'll want to give this video a thumbs up, comment and tell me you're new below, and hit that subscribe button and join us often. We do all kinds of natural healing type topics and boxes with different ceremonies and intention settings that you can do to help you with your personal goals to grow physically, emotionally, spiritually, intellectually, grow as a whole. Today we're going to be opening Mint Mongoose. And Mint Mongoose is a monthly subscription box. I will have all the details on subscription in the video description as well as pinned on the comment below the video. It's a very economical box. You get to make your choices, whether you want gold, silver, you get to decide whether you want earrings or no earrings. There's add-on subscriptions for even like t-shirts and such. It's always done towards a theme, which I absolutely love, and there's a lifetime guarantee. So with that lifetime guarantee, if anything goes wrong, you contact them and they will make it right. It is $13.49 a month if you get the 3-piece jewelry set. And shipping is free inside the US and $10 outside the US. And then, like I said, they have add-ons and everything too. Now, I did have an earring that was missing in one of the boxes, or an earring that was broken, and so they will take care of that, no problem, in last month's box. I'm going to show you really quickly what we had in last month's box. In last month's box, we had the beautiful 3-stone necklace for harnessing and running with creativity, and the earring set that went with it, and the varied size link chain for harnessing and running with creativity. And that was an absolutely gorgeous set. I've got the picture below so that you can see it if you didn't watch the video opening from before. So let's get right into this packet and see what we got. Now, these are always very well in their envelope. Always takes me a little bit to get all this undone. I would do it before the video, but I do kind of want you to see how things are packaged. So you open up the envelope there, then you pull this out, and you've got the nice little envelope inside with the ribbon around. Their cute little mongoose seal there. And here, oh, what a beautiful picture. So let's read and see what the inspiration is. Hi there, this month's set is inspired by beauty and necessity of having a good support system. As a young adult, I quickly learned the importance of a strong support system. Going it alone paves a much bleaker path than having people around to walk the journey with. Having quality people to celebrate, laugh, and spend time with is just as important as having quality people to cry, learn, and grow with. Knowing you aren't alone in the journey does so much for the soul. A support system can be family, friends, and is often a mix of both. It's just as important to be part of someone else's support system as it is to have a strong, balanced support system of your own. The Abalone shell mane necklace in this set and matching earrings are meant to represent you at your best, brightest, and healthiest, with a team of loved ones around you, there for you on the brightest and darkest days. Having people to support and who support you is such an important ingredient in being your healthiest and happiest self. The second layer of the necklace is meant to represent the 5 people closest to you, those who are there for you day in and day out, those who encourage you and inspire you, uplift you, and support you. I pray that when you wear this set, it helps you feel your best and brightest and serves as a reminder to invest in and nourish the relationships of those closest to you. Helena. Okay, so this is the one that's always even harder to get open. Oh, good, I got it open fairly easily this time. Okay, and then we always have their little thank you card down in here. Yay, it's here. Be sure to share photos and videos of your new favorite Mint Mongoose jewelry pieces with the tag Mint Mongoose to be entered to earn a free month. And then her jewelry is always in nice tissue paper. I just love that there's a theme though, because now when you wear that jewelry piece now, next month, a year from now, you can really remember to honor the relationships that you have and to think of those that you're closest to. Maybe you haven't talked to them or called them in a while, and you need to, huh? Okay, so we've got 3 little packages in here, an earring and then 2 layers for the necklace. Let's start with the earrings. I love that she told us that it was abalone shell. I like knowing what the gems are, if they're real gemstones. I think sometimes the gems she's used have not been real gemstones. Typically, I don't go for those kinds of items because I really love the real gemstones. But with an economical box this cheap, it's really difficult to be able to use gemstones all the time. And the quality of her jewelry is so beautiful and so pretty that even the ones that I think are not, I would still wear them. Oh, so pretty. So just a little set of drop earrings there. There is the 2 backs on the back that you can put the plastic ends on them so they don't fall out of your ear. And I got gold this time. She sends me different ones so I can preview it for you. And look, just a beautiful little abalone drop earring. That is so pretty. Really beautifully set and pretty. And this looks like more like the rose gold, I think, than the actual gold. And I love rose gold, so. Okay, this one. I have to apologize to them because usually I get their videos out really fast, the people who send me items to review. But with my family here last week, I didn't get videos done. Okay, and I love, again, their clasps. You can see on here how there's different loops that you can use to make your necklaces different lengths, because I've seen different videos where some of them had this is the shorter one and this the longer one, so you can really play with these and make them what you want, which I absolutely love. I love that they have the little mongoose on the end. So here we've got the 5 pieces of metal to represent the 5 people that we're closest to. There we go. Very pretty. And the main piece. And she always puts this on here, spend $40 on individual items on our online shop and receive your next box free. So if you go and buy some more sets or something, then you get your next one free. Best economical jewelry box I've found. Here's the main one. Pretty. So you've got the main necklace. Again, it's got the adjustable here so that you can layer it however which way you so see and fit, or if you're just wearing the single necklace, not pretty with the abalone, then you can layer them how you want, which makes them really neat. So make this one, I'm gonna make this one shorter so I can kind of show you. Make that one shorter. There we go. So that's how your set is going to sit. Okay, I'm not doing a very good job of this, but you see what, oops. Okay, come on, Karma. So you can have it sit like this. Or you could switch it up and have it sit like this. Either way would work, or you can wear them singly. So beautiful set with some abalone on these to help you think of your relationships. Give this box a thumbs up. I love this jewelry, and for the price and the lifetime warranty, you just can't go wrong. Thanks so much for watching with me. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. and come back often to the channel where you can say, Karma's my friend. Bye, y'all.